Hey hookers, inspired by a smile here with another how-to video, quick and easy. So I just wanted to show you here that I do crochet right into the stitch, the whole stitch. That I don't do. Not that either. I don't go in back loop, front loop, or in the top. I go right into the hole, the entire stitch. I know not everyone does, but I wanted to show you that that's how I crochet. I've never done patterns. I've taught myself how to crochet, and this is how I've always done it. And look how awesome it looks. You don't see through the stitches, and it's always nice and tight after. As you can see, I also don't strangle my finger while I'm crocheting. So yeah, right into the stitches, guys, the whole thing. Awesome.